Breault is pleased to announce the release of Apex, a new type of optical engineering program honed from years of Breault experience in delivering premium optical software solutions. Fully integrated in the industry-standard SOLIDWORKS 3D modeling environment, Apex is an optical engineering application tailor-made to meet the requirements of today's engineering R&D groups, whether big or small. If you need highly capable, highly visual optical software that's intuitive and easy to use, look no further than Apex. With the full power and sophistication of SOLIDWORKS melded into Apex, the program enables the design and analysis of even the most complex optical and illumination systems with a simple, easy-to-follow workflow. In Apex, you operate in one environment. You learn, create, design, and analyze in the same program environment. And that environment is all about ease of use. Welcome to Apex. Apex is first and foremost optics aware. No CAD restrictions are placed on your optical systems. Rather, Apex opens up the whole power of CAD into the rigor and precision needed for optical design and analysis. Optical components created in Apex are toleranced accordingly and blend seamlessly into larger system models, including electrical, mechanical, and other components. Apex allows engineers to build design intent into their system models from the start, with core SOLIDWORKS features such as smart dimensions, relations, and equations. Component reuse options accelerate the development of system models, and ready-to-use library resources and tools make assigning standard optical properties or creating custom properties a snap. Absorption, reflection, refraction, and scattering with automatic splitting of rays, Apex handles it all. Every optical system requires an accurate source model, and Breault source models are the best in the industry. Apex comes standard with library resources that include hundreds of easy-to-use LED, CCFL, incandescent, and arc sources created by Breault engineers, and the list grows constantly to meet customer needs. Apex allows fast insertion of any number of these pre-modeled sources into your system. In addition, Apex allows rapid characterization of power distributions from point sources, ray fans, grids, emitting objects, and other source types, as well as from imported manufacturer source data. Whether you're ready to start with a detailed source model or just want a quick idea of how your system will perform, Apex has the source characterization features and predefined model libraries to make your job easier. Breault's time-proven ASAP non-sequential ray tracing engine is at the core of Apex and enables users to control every aspect of their ray traces, including trace properties, the number of rays traced, and visualization settings such as shape and color. But the similarities to other ray tracing engines stop here. Apex is both a computer-aided design and optical design environment, and the resulting combination enables a new level of convenience for storing, revisiting, and comparing ray traces performed using multiple system configurations. Apex enables the engineer to visualize and move between multiple ray sets without waiting for trace calculations to be repeated. Trace information is automatically stored, so you never have to do the same ray trace twice, or spend time manually archiving useful trace data. When your ray trace finishes, you'll be ready to perform analyses and interrogate your system's performance. You won't be waiting long for ray trace results either. Breault has been setting the standard for fast, accurate ray tracing for over 25 years, and Apex will continue this legacy. Apex analyses are simple point-and-click tasks in the same environment where your geometry has been created, optical properties applied, sources defined and positioned, and ray traces completed. As with Apex ray traces, Apex analyses can be customized and are automatically saved while you work. Perform radiometric analyses on complete systems, individual surfaces, or at interim locations in the optical path of your system. Plot and visualize irradiance, intensity, and radiance information, customize your plots, and utilize quantitative information that is automatically stored, again, every step of the way. When you've completed your design and analysis, use the Apex Optical Pack and Go option to bundle your system characterization, ray traces, and analysis results in one package to share your work with others. Apex seamlessly melds the worlds of computer-aided design and optical engineering opening up new possibilities for the future of optics. Optical engineers and CAD specialists can finally work side by side on the same files, saving countless hours in translation, bridging, and other file sharing approaches. Apex files are SOLIDWORKS files. Experimenting, evaluating, and innovating couldn't be easier. Contact us today to learn more.